What's up, y'all? Yeah, you know, your boy's outside and I'm breaking in my new char griller legacy, and I'm really excited. I want to give a shout out to my boy Jeff over at Outdoors with Jeff for really turning me on the char griller, and just appreciate all the info and the insight, my man, and definitely them videos you be doing. All right, so we're gonna get right to it. Let me show y'all what I got. Check this out. I found this in the store, and it is the Achiote Paste, and this stuff is good, and it smells very familiar. If you're familiar with Mexican cuisines, Latin cuisines, you have tasted this flavor before. It has a lot of stuff in there: black pepper, clove, garlic, cumin, and a lot of other stuff that we grew up eating that we couldn't pronounce. And what I did with this was went ahead and marinated up some chicken, some boneless leg quotas, baby. And I put, you know, about a quarter of a cup in here, and it definitely stretches out, and about a fourth of a cup of packed brown sugar. So let's get to it, baby. I got this grill running, and let's get it on there. Yeah, so we got the legacy rolling, and I got a couple pieces of charcoal in here. I'm not gonna do any big cooks because I got to do some modifications along the edges here about some insulation tape, and watching a few YouTube videos. Guys was talking about the smoke escaping and all that. So, you know, I seen what this one cat was doing. I think his name is KJ. I seen what he was doing, and I'm gonna do the same thing. Yeah, we got that sizzle going on. We got some straight leg quotas on this bad boy. I mean, those is, I'm gonna flip that over just so it could look like the other ones. And we're just gonna be doing some simple cooks for right now. This is just my first little thing. I threw a couple pieces of pork belly on here, and that came out amazing. So I was like, man, I saw this in the stove, and chicken is very scarce right now, and I don't know why. You know, it's enough birds in the world, but we're gonna let these bad boys go. And I got 5 good little pieces of meat here, and we're gonna get these bad boys ready. And I ain't even let y'all know what I'm gonna make with it. That's the sample piece. You always got that little nugget right there that come off the chicken, that little oyster part. And we're just gonna set that off to the side and make sure it doesn't fall through the grates. So I'm gonna let these roll. Okay, so let's talk a little something. I'm definitely getting used to this. Chicken coming along fine. You know, first time using something serious like this. I did add a couple more pieces of charcoal, and getting my temp up. I didn't add a lot of charcoal because I know I was just going to do this grill and I don't want to waste it. Just do a quick little cook, you know, just breaking it in, practicing. I mean, I know how to grill. Oh no, we can't lose that. We can't lose that. That's going to be the sample nugget. So I already lost one, fell down in there, and I was upset. So that little piece is done. The little sample piece that you always get from your thighs. This is my chicken thighs seasoned with the achiote and some brown sugar, and that's it. Yeah, we're coming along fine. As you can see, that's looking good. Nice color. Another little sample nugget that fell off. I'm gonna go ahead and eat that. And these bad boys are doing good, and that tastes amazing. So another thing I done got hooked on that I see in the store And I'm grabbing them every time I get them until I get tired of eating them. That's these sweet Hawaiian tortillas, street taco style. So we're gonna go ahead and throw a couple of these on the little warming rack right here. I got a warming rack, and everything's sprayed down. I'm gonna spray the top of these bad boys and then flip them and spray the other side, so that way both sides will be lubed and they won't stick or dry out when I close this lid. So we're gonna go ahead and just knock out the whole pack like that. And then I got my cooking spray. Be careful when you're using cooking spray near flame or any kind of heat. Use your common sense. And then we're gonna flip them like that. Bam, 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 boop, beep, bop. All right, so we're gonna let these warm up while this chicken is finishing. Back in a minute, boy. All right, so we are done. Your boy's first cook on his char griller legacy. Went on ahead and put everything in here. And as you can see, the char griller don't be playing. I don't be playing. I just feel like cooking. So when I feel like cooking, this is what I come up with. Went on ahead and just let everything warm up in here, had it covered. And we're gonna put together some tacos. Just a quick little recap on the meat. Went on ahead and seasoned some leg quarter. I thought it was leg quarter. It was just like some really big thighs. Season this and some of this Achiote paste. Let it sit overnight with a little bit of brown sugar. And the measurements, I used about, I don't know, man, probably about a half a cup. Like about that much of the bottle. Like that much. So that's, you know, about a half a cup, a little bit over half a cup. And I used 1/4 cup packed brown sugar. And let the chicken marinate in that overnight. And grilled it up on the char griller on some Kingsford charcoal. And for these tacos, real simple. Found this in the stove. Smoked Serrano street taco sauce. We got Mission Sweet Hawaiian Street tacos. I got some of this crema, and I like this one, the El Salvador style. That is, I actually got that by mistake. The lady at one of the markets gave it to me by mistake, and I told her don't worry about it because it was good. And we got some cilantro. So let's put together a quick little taco. First cook on my legacy. All that ties together. All that works. If you got these ingredients anywhere where you live, check this out. I'm gonna go ahead and finish chopping up this meat so everybody can eat, and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Appreciate y'all checking me out as I start my new journey into the world of char grilling.